In this video, I will show you how to fix the first Descendant crashing at startup. If too many background programs are running, the first Descendant may not have enough system resources. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Under the Process tab, right-click on Unnecessary Background Programs and select End Task. Repeat the process for game-related process, including the launcher. Relaunch the game to check if the issue persists. If it's not help, then run the game as an administrator. Without administrative permission, the first Descendant may fail to launch. Locate the game's executable file. Right-click it and select Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Restart the game. If it also doesn't help, corrupted or missing game files may cause crashes. To verify the files, open Steam and go to your library. Find the first Descendant, right-click it and select Properties. Under Installed Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check and repair any corrupted files. If the issue still persists, reducing graphical settings can improve stability. Launch the first Descendant and go to Options. In the Graphics tab, find the settings and set them to low. Global illumination, textures, shader quality. Save the changes and restart the game. If it also doesn't help, I will recommend you to update the GPU driver. An outdated graphics driver can cause crashes. Press Win plus S button together and search for Device Manager. Expand display adapters and find your graphics card. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and follow the instructions. Now check whether the issue is resolved. If it's not, a missing or corrupted Microsoft Visual C++ package can crash the game. Press Win plus R button, then type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. Locate Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, right-click it and select Uninstall. Download the latest version from the Microsoft website and install it. If it also doesn't help, a faulty anti-cheat system may cause crashes. To reinstall it, press Windows plus E button to open File Explorer. Navigate to Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Double-click on Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup.exe to reinstall it. Click Yes to allow permissions and wait for the process to complete. There are some other small tips recommended to enhance gameplay performance. Run the game in compatibility mode. Keep Windows 10 or 11 updated. Increase virtual memory. Install your graphics driver. Clean Windows junk files. Update the games. And reinstall the game as a last resort. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the first Descendant crashing at a startup. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.